In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Monday.com to collect responses automatically. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want all responses to be collected. This board will act as the destination for every form submission, so it's important to choose the right one before you begin. Think of this as the place where all incoming information will be organized and stored, making it easier to track and manage later. Once you're inside the board, add columns for the information you want to ask for in the form. These columns matter because each question in your form will connect to the structure of your board. For example, if you want to collect a person's name, status, date, or any other type of information, make sure those columns already exist. Setting this up first helps keep submissions clean and properly organized from the moment they come in. After your columns are ready, click Add View. This is where you can create different ways to interact with the same board data. And in this case, you'll be turning the board into a shareable form. When the view options appear, choose Form. Monday.com will then generate a form view based on the columns you've already added, which gives you a starting point that you can customize. Next, customize the form title, description, and questions. This is an important step because it controls how the form appears to the people filling it out. Use a clear title so people immediately understand what the form is for. Add a helpful description if any extra context is needed. Then review the questions that appear and make sure they're worded clearly and match the information you want to collect. A well-written form reduces confusion and improves the quality of responses. When everything looks good, copy and share the form link. This link is what you'll send to anyone who needs to complete the form. Before sharing it widely, it's a good idea to quickly review the form yourself to make sure everything looks correct and easy to understand. That small check can help you catch anything that might need adjusting. As responses start coming in, review form submissions as new board items. Each submission will appear inside your Monday.com board, which means you can manage, sort, and follow up on responses using the same workflow tools you already use in Monday.com. That's how to create a form in Monday.com and have responses collected automatically in your board.